Here we are over in York on a grade 2 listed building. Nothing could be in sight, so we've installed the Starlink on the back of a garage. Out the way, nice tidy install, clear line of sight, wired right the way round. Along the top of that wall there, over the guttering, right the way down into a little comms room. Here we've then took another one back out, up, along, right the way along, up the top to that end bedroom there. We've then come out of that end bedroom into this conservatory here. Not a cable in sight, nice and tidy as it is a grade 2 listed building. Then we have also come out of that room there, along the top, right along that wall there, down. We've then dug out a bit of a conduit underneath the grounds, running right the way along, right away into a hole down there where she's got another deco, giving her seamless Wi-Fi all throughout her property with speeds of over 200 megabytes per second. This is Aaron and Phil for Space Internet Solutions.